or the TH42, yes.
Right, 101142, 101142.
And the MOVs to be 101, 100105.
Correct. Correct, old number, yes. This is old number, correct. So this is 1011, this is correct. This is 101 correct. So this is okay. Here for PSDL 1011, right? 101171. Correct, Ajal?
Okay, but in the TSCDH, the temperature 1001.
So above 1. So
Yeah.
above.
Not 11, not 11, 01. 1001.
But this old number, new number.
This is old number. Okay.
Old number, right?
Yes.
And what is PSDL? What is PSDL?
100171.
Okay, old number, right?
Old number, yes.
Okay, so then I will change it.
Yeah. 01. So,
And this is also old number, right? Old number.
yeah.
So this is correct. MOV number 1011.
05. Yes, 100105.
100105. This is old number, new number.
Old number.
Okay. Then here also the same thing, na? 1001, same old number. Same, no? 0.
Same, yes. Also same. E101. 1001.
1001. Correct. So here also P1001, right? P1001.
Yeah, 01. Okay.
Correct.
لا غيرت الحاجات عشان كده بقول نراجع 1 by 1 كده واحنا شغالين. يعني we can consider first row of the temperature based on the hazard sheets to make sure everything covered from the hazard sheet in the IBS. Okay.
Yes, correct. I think we'll do double check. We'll do double check again. This is correct. 1001. Pump strainer. What is pump strainer number?
Strainer 1006-03.
Correct. Pump number is this one. 01. Correct. So this is also correct. This is also correct. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct.
What did they have changed here? They have deleted na?
Put old number.
This one. I don't know what. But we said that only one place is required. Now they are putting. It is cold or hot?
It's very.
Don't make it. And why it is flying down? The set point is
point.
no, some AC. Better.
Okay. So guys, I have changed the tag number and we have kept the same.